Okay, Amazon influencer product research. This is like we gotta like I guess we have no choice but to reinvest and buy some products because obviously, um, just doing the stuff around the house isn't enough. The Amazon influencer program, the commissions, the clicks, the views, it's not there, right? It's not there. So we have to do something to try and jumpstart it. So we have to do a little bit of product research to find products to purchase, reinvest our commissions, reinvest our earnings, right? And find products that will earn us money every month. Okay, so the trick is to find products that are going to be in the 4% category, that get like 3,000 sales or so a month, and that are around $100 or so a month. So we're going to invest $100 a week on products, or whenever you decide, because that 4% is going to make our money back quicker, right? With the $100 product, with the amount of sales we're going to get. But we're going to use a tool. Okay. Now you guys, you've been using tools since you started, and they're pretty expensive. Some of these tools run you 150, 200, 300, $500 for some of these things when it comes along with a private group and all that stuff. Helium 10, the big kahuna. Helium 10 is the Amazon tool, right? The FBA tool. I know everybody says the FBA tool is not for Amazon influencers, but now it is. They have now the influencer tab. And I'm going to go through it. I'm going to show you. I've been using it to find products that are earning hundreds of dollars a month. Okay, so that you make your money back, and within a month or two, uh, you're making money. It's all in the green. Okay, so check it out. Amazon Influencer Product Research with Helium 10 Amazon Influencer tab. I'm going to jump right in and check it out. Okay, we're in Amazon. Okay, now if you watched my interview the other day with ChatGPT, I interviewed ChatGPT, and they gave me a bunch of long tail keywords for products to search for products in the Amazon on the Amazon platform, and one of them was electric pressure washer. So we're going to do that one. Electric electric pressure washer. All right, we're gonna come down. We're gonna find one for $99. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna click into this one. Right now, we're going to go into the Helium 10 tab. Okay, this is the Helium 10 extension. Okay, now there's a link down there to get 10% off. You only need the starter program, the starter plan for uh, the influencer tab. So you go to right to X-Ray Amazon product research. Right now, up here, you see this? You got to have it clicked influencer. It'll say standard or influencer. You have to click influencer. Okay, this product isn't a very good product. It's coming up as no sales in the last 30 days. It's got a rating of 4. $100 product, you're only going to make 2%, $2 a product, on $2 a sale. There's 5 videos in the upper, 9 in the lower. Not a good product, but we can drop down, and down here it's going to give me all of the products that they also have, and it's going to also give me the videos and the amount of sales and everything else, and we can find products that we want to. Okay, so the sales are here. So we're going to scroll down, looking for sales. This one has 9,000 sales. Okay, so let's scroll over, see how many videos it has. One video on the, okay, it's pretty packed. Well, let's go down the rabbit hole and take a look. All right, $99 product. Okay, we're going to go to the Helium 10 tab, go to the Amazon product research tool. Okay, so this product here has 8,700 sales a month. All right. Let's pretend it doesn't have the high upper carousel and low carousel videos. Okay. Let's just say that they were like 1 and 2. Okay. Well, just for the sake of argument, it's 2% product. You're going to get $2 a sale, $100. So you're going to invest $100. All right. Now, I don't know if I pull up my calculator, if you're going to be able to see it. So it is 8,779 sales a month. Now, what I'm always saying is, if you've made a video that converts, okay, at like if you're converting at 12%, I'm going to say 1% comes down of the traffic, of the sales traffic. 1% is going to come down, all right, and view your listing. Okay, so you're going to get 87 sales potentially if you have a good converting video. So 87 sales, all right, and you're making $2 a sale, right? So we're going to times that by $2, right? So $175 a month is what you're going to potentially make by buying this product for $100. So after the first month, it pays for itself. Okay. So that's the whole idea of it. So now we just have to find products like this that have less videos in them. All right. And we can go down the rabbit hole some more. You do this for an hour or so a day. You find yourself one or two products and you start sticking them in, you're buying them and you're doing one or two a week, one or two a month, whatever you can afford. So this is only getting 18 sales a day, a month. So 30-day revenue is that. So we're not going to bother with this one. So we're going to close out of this. We're going to go back to the search bar and we're going to go back to another keyword that ChatGPT gave us, and it's a multi-tool set. Multi-tool set. Okay, now there's a long tail keyword for you. So we're searching. This is how we're going to find these obscure products that people are actually searching for. Instead of searching for drill, right, and toilet brush and whatever, use the long tail keywords is what people are actually searching for, right? So let's come down here, and this should be a 4%. 4% category. So this is an $87 product. Let's click into this one. Okay, after it loads, we'll hit the Helium 10 extension. The add up Amazon product research tab. Let it do its thing. First of all, we're going to look over here. It's got 5 in the upper, 10 in the lower. You can rank up for this one. You can potentially rank for this one. All right. So there's 4,299 sales a month on this product. I told you we're going to potentially earn 1% of those sales are going to come down and click our video and purchase from us. Okay, so we're going to commission on 1%, and that's going to be 42 sales. So 42 sales a month. It's actually 43 sales, right? At 4% commissions is $4. So we're going to times that by 4. That's $171, $172 actually, okay? And so it's an $88 product. With the first month, you're going to make $171. And from then on out, every month, you're going to make $171 off that product, okay? So this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. We're finding products. Now, the Helium 10 Amazon Influencer Product Research tab, it's you get it from the starter program, the starter level, and it's like $30 a month. I'm going to give you $10% off if you click my link, and it's SHS10 is the code, and you click that, and you should get your deal. And we just keep searching, and we find products like this, and before you know it, you'll be making $1,000 a month. Again, of course, we got to invest some of that back in to buy products, okay? But this was only $88 investment, and you're going to make your money back potentially. Now, again, I'm going to stress, people are going to jump down my throat and say, where are you getting that 1% number? And you're probably going to, you potentially could do better than 1%. I mean, if you look at your Amazon influencer storefront, your earnings page, you probably converted 12 to 14%. So most of us do, and so 1% conversions is not unheard of. You have to have a video that's going to convert. You have to have a good video. And what's a good video? That's up to you and the consumer. But if you have a good video that converts, 1% conversions on it is modest. Okay, is modest. All right. Yeah. So can you see the value in Helium 10 for Amazon Influencers? I was so happy. I was so happy because when I first started Amazon Influencers back in 2021, I was looking for tools, and, Jungle Scout and all these other ones. And Helium 10 was one of the ones that was like, okay, I got to look at it. It's serious business. They've been there since 2015. They've been partnered with Amazon. They know all about Amazon. They know everything about Amazon. Why can't I use them? Well, they were too much tool for an Amazon influencer. They were for FBA, for Amazon sellers, right? They're a great big tool with a lot of power to it, right? Too much tool for an Amazon influencer until now. Now they've taken all what they know. They know how to do the algorithm. They know how to deal with Amazon. They know how to play by the rules. And they're only charging us for the starter plan, right? And I'm giving you 10% off. So you really got to give it a shot. Most of these other tools are close to $100, to get started. Plus, a lot of them have paid groups and stuff. Helium 10 has a lot of training, free groups, all kinds of stuff that you can go and check out and hang out. And of course, my group, we're going to be doing the same thing. So check all that out, and you're going to be happy you did. Amazon Influencer Program is changing. It's time to start reinvesting. If you haven't been doing it already, it's time to start reinvesting some of your earnings into products. Now, there's a good part about this because if you're smart on the products that you buy, okay, there's resale value. So it's not just the stuff I don't want, I don't need. I'm not going to buy a power washer. I live in an apartment. Okay, whatever. You can resell it and at least get three-quarters of your money back to a half of your money back. Facebook Marketplace or whatnot, eBay, or whatever. I do whatnot. I do whatnot shows constantly, and I'm constantly selling stuff. And so that's part of the Amazon influencer. The 5 points of income. Okay, the 5 streams of income from the Amazon influencer program. You should be hitting all 5. If you're not, you're losing out. Okay, you got your shop videos, you got your offsite traffic, you got your live streams that aren't doing so hot, but they're there, right? You got your brand deals where people are paying you to send products to you so you can make videos for them, and you got the reselling of the products. Okay, then it's all 5 wrapped up. Okay, of course we got Inspire, and now we got the Haul. That's so we got all of these things we got to explore. But 5 income streams from the Amazon influencer. If you're not hitting them all up, check it out. Check out my videos because I go over a lot of them. We go over them in the live group that we go. I haven't been live in a while. We're gonna probably start hitting that up again pretty soon. With the cold weather and the night and it getting dark early, we're gonna probably start that soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss anything. And Helium 10 link will be down there with the code to get 10% off. Start a plan at the Amazon Influencer tab. Helium 10. Why wouldn't you want to be partnered with Helium 10?